Hey Pringles, I'm Kaya back with another video. So this video is a slime makeover because I've really been wanting to do one of those. So with this slime makeover, I will be making two different slimes. One slime green, one purple. So I'm going to split these up and yeah, I decided the colors earlier. This slime has a little bit more than this one. So I decided the colors earlier because I really just wanted green and purple because I thought that was cool, like a Halloween color. And so I have this neutral blue slime that I've been meaning to change for a long time because it's just a plain regular blue slime. So I am going to change it. So this slime I would like to be green. So for the green slime, it's not just going to be green. It's going to also have beads and cornstarch. Because cornstarch makes slime feel like a really nice butter slime. And yes, I have clay for butter slimes, but I just really like the texture of cornstarch. Oh my god, slime. So, yes. And also, there's something I've been wanting to talk about. I have this really cool friend, Bella. She is a YouTuber too, and you should go check her out. So her YouTube channel is Annabelle Peach. Yeah, so go to the search bar, search Annabelle Peach. She's one of my best friends, super good and sweet. So, yeah. If you're wondering how big this slime is a worthy amount of slime. Like, it's like whenever I make slime, this is around how much I would make. And I have double the amount of this because I have this slime. And now beads. So I have these really tiny beads. And no, I was not trying to show the cap. I was just trying to show the bottom. So I'm going to mix those in. Then add some cornstarch. Gonna put the lid on the beads. And actually, this is something that I feel really weird about. Like, whenever I make a YouTube video, I find my videos very bad because I'm horrible at making YouTube videos. I don't know how to do any transitions or anything like that. So, yeah, I'm a very newbie YouTuber. So, yeah, just adding some cornstarch. So, like, whenever people give me dislikes, I don't really care about it. All I care about is the positive, like how much likes I have and how much subscribers. I only have 11 subscribers, around 11 so far, and with the 11 subscribers that I have, I've been making YouTube videos since I was 5. Also, you can check out my first YouTube video I've ever made. I think it's super corny. I did a toy review in my Hello Kitty dress when I was 5, and oh my god, it was hilarious. So, like, I don't care how much dislikes I got on that because I was horrible on with YouTube back then. But I still don't care. It's like, YouTube makes me happy. So if I'm gonna post videos, I'm gonna post videos because it's fun. So, I'm done with this slime. This slime's a really nice green slime. It's actually more green in real life than on camera. On camera, it's not that green. But it's a nice like bubblegum green, because some bubblegum has this color. So yeah. Then the beads make a really nice texture. So now I have this slime that I want to transform into a nice purple slime. But first I would like to add rice, because like I've never done that before. I've never added rice to one of my slimes. So yeah, I have this really weird clown. I want more rice. It actually feels really nice. Okay, now I have this purple makeup powder. I keep it in here because it just goes everywhere. So mix some makeup powder in. Have to add more purple. And if you are wondering what type of activator I use Tide, the blue Tide, and I use borax with water, baking soda, and eye contact solution, and contact solution with shaving cream. So yeah, I have a bunch of different activators. Oh, and I also have Tetra Boy. So I have 5 different activators. That's cool. I'm looking at the camera, and the camera shows the slime as blue, but really, I'm looking at it right now, and it's a very vibrant purple. And now, something that I want to do is add glitter to them both. So I have this nice glitter. There's black, I barely use it. White, I use all the time. Pink, rose gold. Silver mixed with pink, and silver. So I think I'm gonna add pink to the purple slime. And then I think I'm gonna add silver to the green. Okay, now I have to add the silver. Go. So that's all for my video. And comment down below if you have any pro tips for me, because everyone knows, if you all watch my videos, that I'm horrible at YouTube videos, and making YouTube videos make me happy. That's why I do them. So yeah, comment down below if you have any tips for me. Like and subscribe. Bye!